Hi and welcome to our channel Digitech Genius. I am your presenter Yasir Iqbal, and we will be talking about this time on some tricks, tips, and techniques which can make your Excel life healthier and smarter. So let's jump directly to the Excel sheet. So in this sheet, you can see the data over there, and in this data, we have four columns with the name ID, first name, last name, and the marks obtained by the students. In this one, we'll try to perform some functions without the formula or through the smart techniques. So first one, what is our task is to make this one in this is all in the lowercase, and we need to make it in the upper one. One easier thing is this, that you can make it into the uppercase formula, but there is one easiest way also, and that is through the fonts. So for that, just select all your formula. You can do it by Control plus A also, and then go into the fonts and select the fonts which shows into the in a uppercase like this one. See, this has converted your uppercase, so you do not need the formula for that. You can select anyone which is showing in the uppercase, and that's it. This will help you in converting easily your data into the uppercase. So this one is the first one. Come to the second trick, which can be helpful for you, and it is that sometimes we want that if you click on a particular cell, it give you the instruction that what you want to do with that. Like for example, in this data, if I click over here, it is giving you the instruction that enter first name. So even if you do not know what to do, you can just see the instruction and you can perform the function over there. So how to do that? So this I've already done it. Let's do on the other cell that how can we perform this function. So for that, just go into the data tab. Under that, you will go with the data validation over here, and then you will put up the title. For example, I'm putting over here as an instruction that what is the instruction for the data and entry person, and then you will enter the last name. So you just make it okay. So once you click over here, see on the top it is saying the instruction, and then it is telling you that what you have to do. You have to enter the last name of the person. So that is the second trick. Now, for the third trick, which is a little exciting one, because sometimes we want that once we go on the click, for example, normally it happens when we have a name of a person, and we want that once we go our take our cursor to the name of that person, instead of showing any instruction, it shows his picture. Like for example, we go over here, and as I just mark or point out my cursor towards Ahmed, it is showing me the picture of Mr. Ahmed. So how to do that? So let's see that how we can do this one. So for that one, we'll go and in the in over there in the review tab, and in the review tab you can see there is a new comment. So once you click on the new comment, it is showing you the name. So first of all, we have to remove this one, whatever it is mentioned there. Then just click on the border, and then make a right click. Then you can see the format comment. Click on that. Under that one, there is an option for colors and lines. Then there is an option for the fill effects. As you click over there, you see there's a button, there's a tab over there for the pictures, and here you can select the picture which you want to appear once you take your cursor towards the specific cell. So I'm just selecting one random picture, and I'm putting it over here. This is a famous cricketer, one of Mr. Yasir Shah, and I'm just making it in a formatting way, so it's a better one. So once you just take your cursor towards this one, and you see it is showing the picture of the person. There's an option over there. You can if you want that you want to see all the one, you can mention show all comments, so it will directly show all the pictures to you. You can hide that one also by clicking over there. It will hide it. Even you can delete it over there. So these all functions you can perform from here. So that was our third technique. Now, one more important technique, which is the fourth one, is to make the things in a middle of a in a middle of a selected cells. For example, if I want, for example, if I am saying report, I tap it over here and I want to make this report, take it in the first cell. If I want to make it in the middle of that one, normally what we do, we go over there in the home tab and we put it merge and center, it make it. But sometimes we do not want to make the cells merge because it makes a problem for us in the further working. So what is the way to do that? So to solve this issue, there is a way, and what we'll do, once we type it, after that we'll go into the format cell and we go into the alignment, and then there is a option over there which is called the center across selection. You click it and see the result. It is showing you in the middle of the in the middle of the selected cells. So you can make it better by making it bold, control plus B, and then make it maybe 25 the font size, and then see it's giving you a perfect result. So that was the technique number 4. Now we are moving towards the last technique of this video, and that is that if you want to copy separate Excel rows without copying a single row every time, so how can we do that? So for that one, it is also easy. How can we do that thing? For example, if I have to copy this row and then I have to copy this row, normally people how they do, they just, if they want to copy it, this they will copy like over here this one, then they want to copy, then they will keep copying it till they want their result. This is actually the data is very less over here, but if we have a large data, then it could be a problem. So just to solve this one, there's one technique which we can use it, which is a clipboard. So we'll click on the clipboard, and first of all we'll clear it because I just copied the things. So now I will copy this one, Control C, it goes into the clipboard. Then I will copy over here, copy, and then it goes into the clipboard again. So as I copied the particular rows, it goes into the particular into the clipboard. And if I want to paste this one, even for example, if I want to paste in a new sheet, in a new even workbook, it will work. So what you have to do, you want to click paste all, and in the you see the results. So these are the techniques which you can use, and it will make your life easier. So just continue watching my channel Digitech Genius and follow the other videos, because in the next videos also we'll talk about the same. So thanks for watching.